Brand new style from TressAllure, Pixie Lite. Let's unbox it. Okay, we're going to unbox this brand new style, Pixie Lite. It says, look fabulous, realistic, light fiber. I have some information on that. This wig was provided by Wig Studio One. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to them at support@wigstudio1.com. You can also live chat with them during normal business hours on the wigstudio1.com website. That is a great feature. Be sure to do that. All right, so this wig is available in around 17 shades. I have 27, 30, 33H is what I'm going to show you today. Now this is made from the TressAllure. It's called StyleAble Realistic Synthetic Fibers. That is their heat-friendly fibers. Now they are claiming that these new fibers are 40% lighter than other synthetic fibers, and they replicate the density of human hair. So we'll have a look at all that. Okay, let's have a look at this wig. Now, TressAllure recommends that you keep your styling tools around 320 degrees for their heat-friendly fibers. Again, if you have any questions about that, just reach out to support@wigstudio1 and they'll be happy to help you. All right. Okay, it comes with a little card that tells you about their heat-friendly fibers, some care instructions. There is no net on this wig, hair net, so it's coming just like this. You take it out of the bobby pin. They do enclose a little wig cap. Okay, so let's see, it is a mono top and an extended lace front. It's open wefted. It has closed ear tabs with stays, and it has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. There's definitely a lot of stretch in this. Let you have a look at this color again. 27, 30, 33H. Now let's break it down. 27 is a strawberry blonde. 30 is a light auburn. And the 33H, the highlight, is a dark auburn. Now I'm going to show you this, of course, in some different lighting, so you'll be able to get a look at that. But I do see some highlights running through here. It's a very wearable shade. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, let's try this on and see how it fits. Okay, so I feel like this fits me really well. I don't know, it might be a tad large, a tad. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. Now, these are super light fibers. Wow, this wig, I feel like I hardly have it on my head. It is very lightweight. The fibers, they do have a beautiful feel to these fibers. Really very nice, very nice. I like these fibers, the heat-friendly fibers. And like I said, this wig is super lightweight for sure. It is just very, very lightweight, perfect for summer. I want to just take this crisscross part out just a little bit. Now, it has, as I showed you, that mono top, so there's no Permatease up here, of course. I'm just feeling around to see if I feel any at the nape. I really don't feel much Permatease or anything like that at all. There's a lot of fiber on this wig. Not a huge amount, but wow, this is very nice, very nice. I'm going to spray mine. Now, you have a couple options. You could use the TressTex Dual Leave-In Conditioner. You could use that, but I'm going to use my TressTex Wig Wax, which you've seen me use so many times, one of my favorite products. I just want to create some texture here. I want to see, you know, usually I would spray it with some water, which you could do that as well. I just want to separate these fibers and get a look at this wig. It has longer layers on the top, as you can see. and you could get some volume up here. That's what I really wanted to do. As you can see, y'all, I'm not highly styling my wigs. I took this out of the box. I'm putting it on for you to see, and I want to see what kind of volume can I get if I want that. If I want to sleek it down, what can I do? Just want to kind of get a feel for this wig. Nice short style. Like I said, this has a longer top. So let's talk about that. The fringe is 5.75, they say on the front. The crown is 6. The sides are 5. It has a 2-inch nape and it weighs 2.2 ounces. I don't have a mirror in the back, but let's just have a look at it from all sides. I like this. It's pretty. The way this goes around your face. The nape fit, you know, it fits really tight to the nape. That's good. I like that the nape fits tight to the neck. I like that it's not moving in any way. I really kind of like these longer sides. Lots of layers there, but longer layers. It's not real short anywhere. So I know I could wear this behind my ears. These fibers are beautiful. They have a beautiful feel to them. The wig is lightweight. The fibers are very silky and soft. Very nice. Okay, let's have a look at this lace front. Very well done. Melts right into your head. Here's the coverage. There and there. Now, TressAllure says their average cap size is 21.5. And like I said, I have a 21.25 inch head circumference, and this does fit me just a tad large. I would probably just pull it in a little and get a good fit. But as you saw when I showed you the cap, there's a lot of stretch here. So I believe this definitely would stretch up. Yeah, nice size, nice style. I really like this style. Wear these bangs down more. Wear it all towards your face on one side and pull it back on one side. This is really pretty. Very nice. Good. A very nice job, I think, on this new style from TressAllure. Make sure you get a good look at this color. Let me show it to you in outdoor lighting.